Welcome to our continuing YouTube video series on aspects of business law. My name's Christopher Neufeld of Neufeld Legal. And in this particular video, we'll ask the question, if I don't have a written agreement, can I still have a partnership? And the reality is that even if you don't have a written contract with your partners in business, the law will recognize a general partnership if you are engaging in a common business enterprise together. So absent some other arrangement that's set out on paper that you can clearly look to, whether a corporation or some way of contracting, so that you are one party is a contractor to another and payments are being made as a contractor, the other party being a sole proprietor, you can have, unbeknownst to yourself, a partnership in place and the obligations of the partnership that go along with it, which is both good and bad. So the fact that you do or do not have a written agreement is immaterial. So the thing is, should you have an agreement? And the answer to that is almost definitely yes. Because what is critical in a partnership without an agreement is that if it's two people, it's considered to be 50-50 absent some other aspect. So unless everybody is doing stuff 50-50, if the contributions are not 50-50, whether in assets, money, time, draws, you name it, then you're running into issues. And those issues are preferable to avoid, such that you should have an agreement. And the thing is, it's not just on day one. Maybe on day one, everybody's operating 50-50. But it's 6 months down the road, 1 year down the road, 3 years down the road. You get this business going. What are the arrangements? What is the commitment? Well, you don't want to find it, you don't want to find yourself all of a sudden saying, well, I'm putting in most of the work, the other person's not putting as much work, and the other person saying, no, I feel I'm doing as much work. They might not be, they might be. But the acrimony is created, there's nothing set out. As such, agreements in writing early on are critical to the process. And if you don't have one, it's going to be considered to be there irrespective of partnership. And if there's an imbalance in the future, the party that's benefiting from the imbalance is not going to be as receptive to an agreement that corrects that perceived imbalance on your part. So, strongly recommended if you are undertaking any business in concert with others such that it could be considered a partnership, a written agreement is critical and it should be done at the outset. I hope this YouTube video has provided some clarification as to the role of the written agreement in a partnership arrangement. I look forward to speaking to you again. Thank you.